You have got to see this. I can't get enough of these meme products, and every time they pop up in my feed, I'm like, I have to buy that. That's what makes text-based designs so popular. With the right font, they're easy to create, hard to forget, work on almost every product, and when your design gets stitched instead of printed, that textured look and premium feel turns your item from a gag into a gift. But embroidery isn't the same as printing. In order for your text to get stitched, your font has to be digitized. It's a process that formats your design for the embroidery machine. It also takes up to 36 hours to complete. If it passes, great, your order gets made and shipped on time. But if it fails, your customer's left waiting, your delivery window stretches, and that 5-star review you were hoping for just turned into a refund request. That's why some sellers avoid embroidery entirely, even though it's one of the highest value product upgrades you can offer. No print-on-demand platform could let you skip the time and risk of failure with digitization until now. With Printify's exclusive, brand new fast embroidery fonts, your text-based designs are ready to stitch in minutes. We're the only platform that offers fonts that have already been formatted for embroidery, meaning they don't need to be digitized every time you create a design and make a sale. So when an order comes in, there's no waiting, no failed digitization, no extra tools, and no risk. Your buyers get their orders faster, you get more 5-star reviews, and because embroidery is more premium, you can charge more, keep more, and launch high-quality products faster than ever before. Want to offer personalization? It's a great way to help your product connect with more people and turn a simple design into an easy bestseller. Here's where you can find all of our latest fast embroidery fonts in our product creator and how you can create a great looking text design in a few simple steps. Check out the embroidery collection in the Printify catalog and choose a product. Select a print provider based on how many stitch areas you want. Once a product creator opens up, click on Add Text. Then, click on the Fast Embroidery filter to see which fonts are embroidery ready. Or pick any font that has the stitch icon next to it. Type your text into the stitch area. If you sell on Etsy, TikTok Shop, or Printify Pop-Up and want to let buyers personalize your item, now's the time to put that in too. Add a personalized layer and some placeholder text to the stitch area. Be careful though, if you warp or curve the text like this, it'll need to be digitized again. Same goes if you add an image along with your text. Your font may not need to be digitized, but the rest of the design will. So to avoid delays, keep things simple. Next, choose your font colors. You can pick from 15 thread options, but only 6 colors can be used in one design. Remember, thread isn't ink and doesn't blend. That means your design shouldn't have any color gradients or shading. If it does, not only will it need to be digitized, it'll also be rejected. If you want to make sure that never ever happens to you, I've linked our embroidery guide in the description. Read it and make sure your design always stitches clean and fast. Once your design is ready, click Save Product. Then adjust your mockups and update your product's title, description, and pricing. Make sure to include words like embroidery in your listing and personalization if you offer it, which if you don't, I highly recommend you consider it. This can help buyers immediately understand the premium value of your item and click in faster. And see how easy that was? You've just created a premium, personalized product that's ready to stitch and ship in no time. But in order to create a design that connects with a buyer right away, there's a few more things you'll want to keep in mind. I spent hours looking at hundreds of the top-selling products with embroidered designs on Etsy, and here's what kept showing up. Most designs use just one font, which is a good rule to follow. Simple really does sell, but in the right cases, a second font can add contrast and emphasis to your design. Just make sure they don't compete with each other for attention. Your fonts should complement each other, not clash. And most of all, they should be easy to read. Also, the more I looked online, the more I found that when it comes to embroidery, these 3 font styles show up in bestsellers again and again. The first are serif fonts. These fonts have clean lines with small finishing strokes at the tips of their letters. They feel classic, traditional, and are very easy to read. A perfect example of this from our embroidery-ready fonts is Allegria. Take a look at how great it looks on this tee. Next up are the minimalist and sleek-looking sans serif style fonts. Unlike serifs, these fonts don't have the little flourishes on the ends of their letters. They're popular in modern-looking designs and apparel, especially on activewear. Check out this ready-to-stitch open sans font on this sleek sports jacket. Finally, we have our timeless college-style block font. You'll definitely remember this from any letter jackets or college sweatshirts you've seen. It's iconic for a reason. It brings a retro energy that's both nostalgic and official. Fonts like Graduate, for example, stitch especially fast on crew necks and hoodies like this. The best part is, not only are these 3 options available in our fast embroidery font library, but more are being added all the time. So keep checking our product creator for new fonts and fresh styles. And there you have it. You've just unlocked fast embroidery and created a premium product in minutes. But if you really want to stand out, you need more than speed. You need to understand design on a deeper level. So in this next session, we're diving into the art of text, how to think about fonts, layout, and style like a designer. That way your products don't just look good, they actually say something. Ready to sharpen your creative edge? Then click on the link and let's go.